Time management theories. Stephen Covey's Priority Theory. Stephen Covey's Priority Theory divides our activities into 4 categories based on the dimensions of importance and urgency. Important and urgent. This is the emergency quadrant, which contains matters that are extremely important and urgent in terms of time. Example, you have an exam tomorrow. Important but not urgent. This is the quadrant of successful people, where important matters are planned, but without urgency. Example, planning a trip. Not important but urgent. This quadrant represents matters that are not important but urgent, and most people mistakenly believe that urgent matters are important. Example, your car needs fuel. Not important and not urgent. This is the opposite of the first quadrant, which contains matters that are neither important nor urgent. Example, chatting online. This theory helps us prioritize our tasks and manage our time effectively, ensuring that we focus on what truly matters and avoid getting caught up in urgent but unimportant matters.